Boom, boom, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J. And yeah, I'm back, man. You know what I'm saying? I've been out of commission for a while, but I'm back. And I'm here with Grand Theft Auto 3, the definitive edition. Yeah, I got the whole trilogy, but I'm going to start with Grand Theft Auto 3. Yeah, man. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. And if you're a first time viewer, welcome. Do remember to hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, hit that notification bell. It is much appreciated, man. Word up. So let's get to this Grand Theft Auto 3, the definitive edition, man. I want to see what's up with all the remastering that they did. Okay, so far so good. So far so good.
Sorry, babe. I'm an ambitious girl. You're just small time.
Yo, this game brings back a lot of memories. Criminal shot by girlfriend. Yo, the graphics is real nice, man. Graphics is real nice. They did a good job with this.
Liberty City is in shock today as the police and emergency services deal with the aftermath of a devastating attack on a police convoy this morning. As yet, no details have been released about the prisoners being transferred in the convoy, and no group has claimed responsibility. The convoy left police headquarters early this morning for a routine transfer of felons to Liberty Penitentiary. The attack took place on the Callahan Bridge, leaving few witnesses and the bridge itself severely damaged. Some of the convicts are thought to have perished in the explosion that followed the initial attack. Revelations as to the professionalism of the attack struck police hours afterward, when identification of the missing felons were further hampered by an attack by computer hackers on police headquarters databases.
Even the raindrops look different.
Schedule, this disaster leaves Portland isolated from the rest of the city.
Come on! Señor Dickhead. It's no problem to kill you.
Yo, calm down, Esse. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna be doing everything in this game. Side mission and everything. You know what I'm saying? I'm not just gonna do the story mode. I'm gonna also do the side missions too. Oh man, his face look different. Okay. All right. Give. All right. I better drive. Press Y to enter. No, I gotta turn this radio off, right? Oh, you turn this radio off. Oh, I turned this radio off, man. Damn. Oh, there we go. We out of here. Oh, this feel a little... Alright. Feel a little like GTA 5. Handbrake is RB. Okay. Trying to check out the best camera view here. See how it look in the car. Okay, they don't got no in the car view. Chinatown. Okay, we going here. Huh? Should I turn up in here?
This is the place right here. Let's get off the street and find a change of clothes.
Yeah, man, get out of those orange. When not on mission, you can save your game here. This will advance time to 6 hours. The garage next door can store one more vehicle. Okay.
I know this guy. He's connected. His name's Luigi. Me and him go back, so I could probably get you some work. Come on, let's head over there.
Okay, I'm going to check Luigi. Hey, watch it, taxi cab. Gonna go see Luigi.
This is Luigi's club. Let's go around the back and use the service door.
Man, I haven't played this in so long, man. It's such an old game.
Wait here, man, while I go in and talk to Luigi.
Go ahead, man. Damn, that was quick.
Eight Ball's got some business upstairs. Well, maybe you could do me a favor. One of my girls needs a ride, so grab a car and pick up Misty from the clinic, then bring her back here. Remember, no one messes with my girls. So keep your hands on the wheel. If you don't mess this up, maybe there'll be more work for you. Now get out of here.
Okay, Antonio. Alright, let me see. Get a vehicle. Let's use this one. Watch it, girl. Yo, I used to know this map like the back of my hand. Alright, I go pick this girl up. Hi, I'm Misty. Alright, Misty. What's going on here, man? I got no time for this. I got no time for that. I hear shooting. Somebody's shooting. Damn, man. Park up this way. Okay, I got 1,500. My first job was to pick up a prostitute. Use R to look around. Okay. You can go see Luigi for more work or check out Liberty City. Let me see the map. Okay, I don't want to check. Let's go get some work. Need some money. Don't spank my bitch up.
Luigi said to give you this, so here, take it.
There's a new high on the street. Goes by the name of Spank. Some wise guys been introducing this trash to my girls down Portland Harbor. Go and introduce a bat to his face. Then take his car, respray it. I want compensation for this insult.
Alright, man. Let me go put a bat to his face then. Grab the bat, yeah. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Alright, where the fuck we going? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie though, I'm kinda impressed with how they remastered this game. It looks real good compared to the old one. This one looks real good. Move up, man. Blocking me and shit. Get out my way. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a bat to your face, bro. Yo, girls, y'all better get out of here. What? No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Take his car. See them girls? Hey, oh, them fucking girls, they were out. They was not playing. Yo, what's up with this radio, man? Let's see if I could turn radio off. Options. Radio. They ain't got nothing to turn the radio off. Off. There we go. Oh no. Damn, look at my car, man. I'm gonna have to get a new car. Yeah, I remember I used to just drive up in there to get rid of the cops. Let's drive up in this place and get rid of the cops. Alright, let's see. Don't want to scratch it now, man. Look at this car. Yeah, so they did polish this game up a bit. Alright, let's go. Yo, who keeps shooting out here, man? Jesus, man. This car is so easy to mess up, yo. I don't give a fuck. I'm leaving it just like that. What are you saying? I need a car. So they're saying they got fingers now. They didn't used to have fingers. Punk noodles. Trying to find a car to steal. Yo, I'm telling you, Grand Theft Auto came a long way. You say in the Navy. Get out of that, man. Oh shit. I didn't even see the cops. Ooh wee. I think I lost the cops. Good. Need to get some more work. Wait up, man. Oh, there go the cop right there. In the Navy. Let me park right here. All right, man. Drive Misty for me.
What am I gonna do? Hey, I gotta talk to you. All right, Mick, I'll talk to you later. How you doing, kid? The Don's son, Joey Leone. He wants some action from his regular girl, Misty. Go pick her up at Hepburn Heights, but watch yourself. That's Diablo turf. Then run her over to his garage in Trenton and make it quick. Joey ain't the kind you keep waiting. Remember, this is your foot in the door. So keep your eyes on the road and off Misty.
Sure is a lot of requests. I don't know why that fool keep blowing his horn. He could pass. All right, let's go. Pick Misty up. Misty up in the projects. Hurry up, Misty. You're walking like... It's about palm. Man, excuse my car, Misty. It's a gangster car. Yeah, so when you play this game, it just reminds you like how far the evolution of GTA, you know? Evolution of GTA is crazy. What's that ice cream truck? Okay, Joey's Auto Painting. Come on, Misty. Joey!
Am I gonna get to play with your big ends again?
I'll be with you in a minute, Sparkplug. Hey, I'm Joey. Luigi said you were reliable, so come back later. There might be some work for you. All right?
Joey about to get it down. How much money I got? $650 on it. Just got $1,000. See, my car is gone, man. Why my car keep? Let me go check Joey. See what Joey got. Maybe Joey got to come back between 5. Okay. Maybe I gotta go steal this car. Let me see if the cops are around first, cause maybe. Let me take this one. Here we go. There we go. All right, Joey, I can't work for you, so let me go look. See if I find more job. There's a gun shop. Do I have a gun? Nice little convertible. Yep. Yeah, come on, man. What's going on here?
I'm going to get you.
Yeah, so after I finish this one, I probably play Vice City. I'll probably play Vice City next. Oh, come on, man. Let me park my car over here. I want it to disappear again. Stay there. Pump action pimp. I'm gonna be a pimp.
Some Diablo scumbag has been pimping his scuzzy bitches in my backyard. Go and take care of things for me. If you need a piece, go around back of Ammunition opposite the subway.
There we go. Press A to rapidly sprint. Oh, you better watch it, man. Damn, rain is falling on my head. Yeah, where am I going? Back to Ammunition. There it is. Hold up. Let me try something with this gun. But they say you could aim like GTA now. Oh, okay. So this is the guy right here. This is him driving around.
Real nice and leopard skin.
So I should go on this road right here.
That's a ticket on the phone.
I'm driving a convertible in rain with the top down. This is the, oh, there you go. He's driving a fast car too. Let me see how I'm gonna deal with him. Can I shoot from the? Oh, he drove off. Oh. Oh shit. Get your gun, bro. Get out of here, man. Oh, look, a beeper. Kind of like this car, man. I get this one. Yeah, this car fast. Oh. Why am I following this thing? I don't need that no more. Okay, so let's go check Joe. Working. Oh, I'm fucking up the car, man. Fucking up this car. I can't drive this car for nothing. All right. Come back. Oh, come on, man. What time is it? Well, back to Louis.
I'll lick you up and down.
Guess back to Louis' place. Ain't nothing happening over here.
He ain't no gentleman, that one.
Yo, what the fuck wrong with this guy? The fuzzball.
The policeman's ball is being held at the old school hall near the Callahan Bridge, and they'll be looking for some old school action. Now, I got girls all over town walking the street. Get them to the ball. They'll make a bundle. Get as many of them as you can before the cops drink away their grain.
You must complete it before the timer counts to 0. I'm probably gonna need a 4-door car. There's a van right there.
What's the dealio?
Get out, man. I gotta move. Come on, girl, let's go. Where the other one at? Let me see. Oh, I'll get over there. I was just about to go over there. It's a good thing I didn't. Come on, man. Hurry up, van. Damn. Come on, girl. Hurry up, hurry up. Man. Picking up these prostitutes. Alright, let me see what the other one is. Straight ahead, straight ahead. Can I hold one more? Can I hold one more? You pack, I'm pack, I'm pack. Hold up. Where am I going, man? Where am I taking them? Here. Okay. So this is the spot to take them. Okay. I got 2 minutes left, man. Come on. Go on, man. The cops are waiting on you. Damn, this vehicle is fucked up.
In the Navy. Where's my damn school?
I don't know if I'm gonna make it, man. Oh, they're shooting at me and shit. Come on, girl, hurry up. Sorry. $34 left. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Where's she at? Come on, girl. Damn, girl, hurry up. Look at her. Oh, I ain't gonna make it.
You hate fat people, don't you?
Oh, mission passed. Oh, shit. Thought I wasn't gonna make it. All right, girl, go ahead. I don't need you. Oh, maybe they do. All right. Let me see if they're gonna let you in. Hell no. All right, Jojo, you must got some work for me now, man. I hear a phone ringing. Where the phone at? No, I hear a phone ringing somewhere. I don't know where that phone ringing at.
Hey, I'm bored. When you gonna drill me?
In a moment, sweetheart.
Oh, shit.
I got a little business to take care of. I got a little job for you, pal. The Farrelly brothers have owed me money for too long, and they need to be taught some respect. Lips Farrelly is stuffing his fat face in the St. Mark's Bistro, so steal his car, take it to 8 Ball's bomb shop up in Harwood. You know 8 Ball, right? Once he's fitted it with a bomb, go park the car where you found it. Then sit back and watch the whole show. But hurry up, you won't be eating forever.
Haha. Okay, let's drive this, man. I ain't got nothing else to drive. All right. I think this is where we're going. Take this car. Oh, I got oh, I don't even know I was on a timer. Oh. Okay. I'm here, man. Arm the bum. Okay. I don't want to crash with the bomb now. That wouldn't be smart. How much time I got? 3:38. Come on, man. I gotta step on the gas. Yo, get out the way, bro. Let me not hit in the wall again. Okay, the bomb is activated. I'm out of here. Shit, I go blow him sky high. I gotta. Yeah, man. My money getting. Oh, I ain't see shit. I know you ain't trying to chase me. Oh shit, you trying to chase me for real? Why? Why you think I got something to do with it, man? You ain't see me. Yo, I'm out of here, man. Why you choose to pick on me, bro? Go ahead, man. There we go. Tired. All right.
His mother's coming, she hates me.
You're gonna pay a big time.
I need a car.
His mother's coming, she hates me.
I don't see no car I like, man.
Y'all from around here?
Where's my damn tools?
Let me go down here and see if I see a car. Oh, what's this in the street? Oh, bumpers. Yo, hold up, man. I need a ride, man.
Where I am and I'm hungry.
All right. Let's see if they got any more mission for us. Yo, where's that fucking phone ringing at? Yo, why keep? I don't know why everybody keeps saying in the Navy. What that's supposed to mean? In the Navy.
Chunky Lee Chong is pushing Spank for some new gang from Colombia or Colorado or something. I'm not really sure. Who needs details? Anyway, he's got a noodle stand down in Chinatown. That rat has sold his last stir fry. I want you to take him out. If you need a piece, go around back of ammunition opposite the subway. Sort yourself with a 9. You know where it is, right? Well, remember, just watch your back in Chinatown. It's triad territory.
This guy's just sending out hits, huh? Jump back in my little pickup truck.
Watch it! You have fun over.
One thing I haven't changed throughout the years, the way these people drive. Ridiculous. All right, let's see.
How much you pay?
Oh shit! Hold up. Back up. What? Stop playing with me, man. Where that guy run to? Where we run to? Where we go? Oh, I'm tired. Damn, he jumped in a car. Where the fuck am I? You jump in a car. Hold on, Cab. Hold on, Cabby. Come here. Oh, man. Come here, man. Let me see this. I'm gonna run you off the road. I'm gonna see where you're gonna go now. Pit maneuver. I'm trying to stop this car. I'm not even trying to shoot him. I want to talk to you, man. This guy's doing everything to get away, man. Oh, shh. Okay, it's start raining now. Time to stop fucking around, bro. Get out the way, man. Get out the way. Yo, watch it. Get out of the car. Get out of here. Get out of here. Don't be walking with no gun in front of me, man. Oh, you got money too? Oh, okay. I'll take all of that. Oh shit, jump out, bro, jump out. Oh man. I still got all my guns, man. I probably lost all those guns. Okay, so this must be armor right here. Where is it? Oh, I just saw some armor. But I did accomplish the mission though. It said mission passed, so. Yeah, I'm gonna punch the next guy that say in the Navy. Oh, there go a truck right there. I could get that. Alright, let me go see how this truck look. Of course, they say they made changes. Let's see the changes if it looks more. Oh, cop, leave me alone, man. Yeah, so we only got Joe to see. And he's close right now. I'm trying to find where that telephone is ringing from.
Where am I? Can I get a bite?
Yo, this truck is trying to find that telephone. Chinatown. Yeah, man, but so this is we're gonna leave the video for part 1. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna continue part 2, finish some more missions with Joey and so forth, you know what I'm saying? But I think the game look real good. I'm trying to, it's a big difference if you look at the old one and this one. I mean, it looks real good. And it's still fun to play, you know what I'm saying? This game is still fun to play. But anyway, I continue part 2 on the next video. Thanks for watching. What the hell they talking? They're talking crazy. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Do remember to hit that like button. And if you're a first time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Much appreciated. Thanks for watching. God bless. 1.